Hi everyone, welcome to another session with
Treasure Cloud.
Today I have someone special with me. It's not just Lynn, but it's
Angeline.
And today she's going to be joining me. Today we're here to unbox a new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's get straight into it. May I?
Yes.
So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We bought it straight from JB Hi-Fi and we're going to start unboxing it. This is a new iPhone 14 Pro Max and we bought it in a deep purple color. It's written over here, and we bought it with 256 gigs of RAM, so that way we have plenty of storage. And on top of that, this is the entire phone, and here you can feel it. It's a nice smooth finish. And here the camera has been much bigger now. It's upgraded from a 12 megapixel to a 48 megapixel camera. There's 3 cameras in the back with a flash, and there's a selfie camera here which you can just barely see. Inside the case, we get the phone itself, a charger, and some instructions. It's simple but sweet. So since with all the packaging it doesn't come with an adapter for the charger, we bought our own adapter. And that's why that you can see right here. And it's got one for Samsung and one for other phones, so you can charge 2 phones at the same time. And along with that, we've also bought a case for the phone, which has a MagSafe ring as well, so that way you can magnetically charge it as well. And with that, we also have a screen protector to protect the screen of the phone. And we also have a power bank just for extra charge. Let's unbox all the phone accessories. We'll start with the case of the phone. This is the OtterBox case, and as you can see, it has the MagSafe ring here as well. And I'm pretty sure inside this will be the Apple logo. So you can put it on like that and it's magnetic safe, which means it charges it. We'll unbox the screen protector. So these are the contents inside the screen protector. Here we have instructions on how to apply the screen protector. Here we have a dust removal sticker, and inside this is the actual screen protector. So we'll open the inside screen protector and see what it actually looks like. And here you can see you have to put the phone inside and then apply the screen protector on. And here are the instructions. And this is the dust removal sticker. So it's useful for cleaning the phone. So you can just rub it off. So next, let's start off by setting up the phone. So here you can see it's a pretty cool welcome screen. It says hello, and you have to swipe up to open. And you can choose your language and setting the language. So we're finally happy we got our hands on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We've been waiting for this for months, and you don't understand how hard it is to try and get one of these. It's actually pretty cool. So we're finally really happy that we finally got our hands on one of these, and that's why we bought a whole bunch of accessories with that, so we can use it to its maximum life. Now we're just going to continue on with our normal setups and just to see how we can use it in day-to-day life and stuff, and just to get used to it. So unfortunately this episode is done now, but don't forget to watch our next episode. So now we're just going to continue setting up the phone and just to get it used to our day-to-day life and stuff, and just so we can use it more often. So this is the end of another vlog. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget our channel is JJ Cloud. This is Johan and Angeline signing out. Say bye.